This is Isaac with Skyline, and today I'd like to talk to you about our pure water window cleaning system. Back on the truck here, we have our RODI water purifier. That stands for reverse osmosis deionized water. What this does is it takes the tap water that we collect from homes or businesses, it purifies it to a state that we can use it to clean water or clean windows. What this means is that it goes from around probably 400 to 600 ppm, parts per million, down to under 10. And so we reduce the mineral deposits in the water to a point where the water is actually attracting minerals off of windows or the surfaces that we're cleaning. So we can use this purified water to clean windows spot-free after our soft washing process. Now there's one key extra step that we take compared to a lot of businesses in the industry, and that is we use a product called Final Wash to apply before our window cleaning process. What this does is it makes the glass slightly hydrophobic and it repels moisture off of that glass, which is going to mean that your windows are going to stay cleaner longer compared to other window cleaners in the industry that may clean your windows, but then when that next storm or rainy day hits, they're not going to repel the dirt and other things that are attracted to that glass. So again, we apply our Final Wash and then we use our pure water window cleaning system to go over and clean those windows and leave your windows spot-free and shiny. To complete this cleaning, we can do it all from the ground by using a pole-fed water system, which means that we don't need to use ladders or other devices to access your windows. Thanks for watching, and give us a call at Skyline Soft Wash for any of your soft wash or window cleaning needs.